Hey architects, if I give you this arc length and this angle, can you find entire circle perimeter and radius? Of course you can. It's easier than you think. Let's look at the blueprint. A circle center O, the sector slice has a central angle 45 degree and the arc length AB measure 4 cm. Now let's see how that small slice tells us everything about the whole structure. This isn't just an arc, it's a fragment of the total perimeter, and the relationship is proportional. Since 45 degree is a fraction of 360 degree in a full circle, that 4 cm arc is the same fraction of total circumference. Let's run the number. 45 by 360 equals to 4 by the total perimeter, that is 2 pi r. Now cross multiplying them, we have 45 into 2 pi r equals to 360 into 4. After that, dividing the right side by 45, we get 2 pi r equal to 360 into 4 whole divided by 45. Simplifying it, we get 2 pi r equal to 32 cm. That is our first answer. Now step 2, extraction of the radius. For that we have total perimeter 2 pi r equal to 32 as we just solve it. To isolate radius, we divide 32 by 2 pi, simplifies down, we have 16 by pi. So our final answer is perimeter equal to 32 cm and our radius is 16 by pi centimeter. So that's it for today's video and I will see you in the next class.